Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Angelica, I go by Kali, and today I will be showing you, as you can see by the title, some leg and glute focused exercises to get you right and tight. So throughout this whole quarantine, I have not been able to go to the gym as much as I would like to. I think I've gone to the gym maybe 10 times over the past year and a couple months. And all those times I wasn't even able to lift. So I kind of had to find an alternative when it came to maintaining muscle mass and just keeping my legs looking nice and trim and my booty sitting right and tight. So resistance bands became my go-to. So resistance bands are really awesome, and I've talked about them a lot on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. But throughout this video, I'll be highlighting several exercises. Many are in my rotation. I have so many that I do, so if you do end up liking this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so that I know to film a part 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the case may be. I'll be showing you what muscles they highlight and the benefits of all of them. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or DM me on Instagram. I'm super active on there. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, y'all, that concludes the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and were able to learn a couple tips and tricks that you could use throughout the week. You don't have to do them in a gym. They can be in your room, in your closet, in your bathroom, garage, terrace, backyard, wherever the case may be. It doesn't have to be a full workout, but I will include a workout including these exercises below, so make sure you check that out if you want something a little bit more structured. And if you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that I know to film more videos like this. And if you feel like you've mastered resistance bands and these exercises, as well as lifting heavy in a gym, if you're going to a gym safely, feel free to combine the two. Lifting and resistance bands, fabulous combination. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.